Hi, very good morning, traders. From TradeWiz, Friday, 27th August. I'm looking for a buy side here. Two green candles. I'm entering here 35,600 CE. The target should be around 35,600, which is also the close of yesterday. And the stop loss should be S2, right? Two reasons why I entered is the it has taken its support in S2, and the main reason two green candles being formed here, which is a bullish pattern, reversal pattern. The previous red candle also closed inside of the wick of the that previous candle, formed a morning star as well. The only thing is it has closed below S1. So we have got an entry in 35,600 CE at 250. I set a stop loss for 220. The main thing I take a trades is like where the market has, I focus on stop losses more. That is the chances of the market reaching the S2 now is very low. Even if it reaches S2, it will be a like momentum loss will be there, because it will not have so much momentum as it came down in the 925 candle. So it will be a momentum loss with 930, like with RSI there will be a divergence. Okay, so forming a green candle here. And now that we have entered, we will like either take the target or stop loss. The our control is over after like we took the entry in the trade. Like before entry, whatever the analysis need to be done. But once we have entered, our work is over. So either the stop loss or target. Today being Friday, so the CA, we cannot expect huge expansion in options. Even at the money also we cannot expect so much. So 1:1 will be a comfortable trade, but here I have taken 1:1.7. Every day, there is only one trade. that I focus on. So hence, like, if it is one trade, if we take a lesser reward, the problem is like the next time I hit the stop loss, right? There won't be much return because we are also doing it in the options. Okay, this candle has made a lower wick now. And I'm okay hitting the stop losses. And also in the trades, I will find two, three reasons to take a trade and multiple reasons not to trade. The one reason against me here is there is a S1. It has hit the S1. So, and also 925, there was so much of urge for me to enter the trade. Considering the big wick that has formed and the gap is filled, everything, I missed that trade just because that 920 candle closed within the wick of 915 candle, and also there was a lower wick. All that, but it's okay. Like, we don't have to be winners every day. Like, at least till EMA 21, this should give a target. I'm hoping that 1 is to 1 at least is there. Okay, very good lower wick here. The previous one also had made a lower wick. That means there are a lot of people who have a view that the buy side view, right? Okay, this, and also we don't have to worry about today the depreciation with time, since it's just Friday. Friday is like new life. It is close to below the S1 only. So after taking the trade, it is just to relax because there is a 30 rupees on the table. It's not mine now. So whatever I have invested in stop loss, that is what is my risk. Okay, so I'll also post the order book today. One of you have asked for it. We should get a target in this candle now. We'll be on the edge because already I okay. So we'll not wait further. We'll make an exit here.